The 3D learner assessment process has 5 components. The structure of intellect assessment, which looks at how a child learns best, where they're strong, where they're weak, where they have vision or auditory issues. Second part is the interactive metronome, which looks at a student's ability to pay attention and to pay attention over time. The third part talks about tracking. What we found is over 70% of our students have difficulty and they wind up skipping words and lines when reading. The fourth part looks at anxiety, where we use biofeedback to show when a kid is anxious and how much that impacts their performance. The last part is the Reading Plus assessment, which looks at a student's reading speed and comprehension. In this segment, we're going to talk about the Visagraph. The Visagraph is a piece of equipment that has eye goggles and some sensors in the eyes, and it shows how a child's eyes track when reading. This graph shows a student's eyes when they read a 50-word passage. If they were perfect, there would be a downward staircase that swept from left to right and then back again and left to right. As you can see in this case, not only do the two eyes not do that, but they do different things at the same time. A clear-cut case of a tracking issue. This often identifies the issue, but one of the other key attributes of this equipment is it shows exactly what the eyes see, word by word. Let me show you that. This simulation shows word by word, starting on the second line, what words the student was seeing when they were reading. As you can see, the eyes sweep in a way that's inconsistent with understanding what's being read. One experienced ophthalmologist who looked at these results for his grandson went, "If I hadn't seen it, I wouldn't have believed it." The Visagraph is a powerful tool to not only show mom and dad and the student what's going on, but it also brings them all together with a common view of exactly how important this issue is to address.